Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil steadied, finding support from geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and investor optimism that the US Federal Reserve would soon start cutting interest rates, boosting global economic growth and fuel demand. The dollar was trying to find a floor in holiday-thinned trade, pressured by signs that inflation in the world's largest economy is cooling, which will likely give the Federal Reserve room to ease interest rates next year. Binance's founder, Changpeng Zhao, who agreed to step down from his post as the crypto exchange's CEO in a guilty plea over violating US anti-money laundering laws, still saw his monetary fortunes surge in 2023. The estimated wealth of the crypto entrepreneur grew by almost $25 billion.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1355 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's retail trade at 2350 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.